Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the math session. Today I am taking a revision on algebraic expression. The revision is nothing but we are solving the exercise number 2.3. According to that, we will take the revision. Means already we have learned the 2.1 and 2.2 as well as 2.4. So 2.3 is totally depend upon 2.1 and 2.2 and 2.3. Means a simple multiplication is there. Okay. So 2.3, question number 1. Complete the following table of products of two monomials. So all the people have learned. Exercise 2.3. Complete the following table of products of two monomials. Okay, let us do the table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One, two, three, four, five, six, and then 7. So 7 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So let us take the numbers. The number 1, 3x. Next term, minus 6y, then 4x squared, 4x squared minus 8xy, then 9x squared y, 9x squared y, and 11x cubed y squared minus 11x cubed y squared. So the products between two monomials. These all are monomial. 3x is monomial, minus 6y is monomial, 4x squared is monomial, minus 8xy is monomial, 9x squared is also monomial, then minus 11x cubed y squared is also monomial. So the same numbers will take in the column. Means in rows 3x minus 6y 4x squared minus 8xy 9x squared y minus 11x cubed y squared. Okay children, so let us do the multiplication. So how to do the multiplication? First one, multiply the constants, later on we will go to the variables. First one, 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. X into x is what? X squared. So first row into first column. Second, 6 3s are minus 18. Y into x, xy. Next, 4 3s are 12. X squared into x, x cubed. Understanding? Okay. First one, 3 3s are 9. X into x, x squared. Next term, 6 3s are 18, x into y, xy. Here, 3 4s are 12, x into x square, x cube. What about the fourth one? 8 3s are minus 24. Because in front of it minus is there, in front of 3 there is no sign, there is nothing but plus sign. Next term, minus 8 into 3, 24, x into x, x square, 1. From the next one, 9 3s are 27, x into x square, x cube, and remaining is what? Y. Next one, 11 3s are minus 33, x cube into x, x to the power 4, y square as it is. This is clear. First row, first column, second row, first column, third row, first column, fourth row, first column, sixth row, first column, and 7th row first column. So next go to the second column. Okay, what is that second column? The second column is what? Minus 6y. So we have to multiply these terms. 6 3s are minus 18. 6 3s are minus 18. X into y, xy. Next one, minus into minus plus 6 6 are 36. Y into y, y square. Correct? Minus into minus plus 6 6 are 36. Y into y, y square. Next one, 4 6 are minus 24. The multiplication of the constant is over now. X square into y, x square the 1. Yes? Minus into minus plus 8 6 are 8 6 are what? 48. X as it is, y into y, y square. Look here, x as it is, here y is there, then here also more y is there. Y into y means y square. Next one, 9 6 are minus 54. 9 6 are what? Minus 54. X square as it is, because here there is no x value but y is there. Y into y, y square. Is it correct? Okay, let's go for the last one. Minus into minus plus 11 6 are 66. X cube as it is, y square into y, what will come? Y cube. Here y square is there, here y is there. 2 plus 1, y cube will come. So second column is clear. Yes. Shall we go for the third column? Let's come to the third column. The third column is 4x square. Let us multiply with 3x. 3 into 4, 12. X into x square, x cube. 3 into 12, 4. X into x square, x cube. Second, 4 6 are minus 24, because here minus is there and this side plus is there. Next term, y into x square, y. Next here, 4 4s are 16. X square and x square means x to the power 4. X square and x square, what will come? 16 x to the power 4. Next term, 8 into 4 minus 32. 8 4s are 32. X into x square, x cube, y as it is. Correct? Come to the next one. 9 4s are 36. X square and x square means x to the power 4, y as it is. And finally, 11 4s are minus 44. 11 4s are 44. X cube and x square is x to the power 5. Don't multiply, just add their powers. Here 3 is there, here 2 is there, it will become 5. So next step, y square. Understood? First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. So we have multiplied rows with columns. Next come to the fourth one. So to do fourth one, same thing will come. Okay. How to multiply? Say 8 3s are minus 24. X into x, x square, y. Correct? X into x, x square, and remaining one is y. So the second one, minus into minus, plus, minus into minus, plus 6 8s are 48. Y, here x is there, keep x as it is, y into y, y square. Come to the third one, 4 8s are minus 32, minus into plus, minus 32, x into x square, x cube will come, correct? x into x square, x cube will come. Next term, remaining what? Y. So y keep as it is. Come to this one. 8 is plus 64 minus into minus plus 64 x into x square y into y square. Let's come to this one. 9 8s are minus 72. 9 8s are 72. X square and x is nothing but x cube. Y and y square. Understood? 9 8s are 72. X square into x cube, y as it is. Means y and y square. 11 8s are plus 88 because minus into minus. X to the power 3 and here x is there. What will become? X to the power 4 will become y square and y is nothing but what to the power 3. Correct? Yes. X cube into x to the power what? 4 y into y square. What to the power 3. Now come to the last one. Yes, we'll take another chalk. 3 into 9. 9 is how much? 27. X into x square, x cube, y. Because there is no y value, but there y value is there, so y. Next, minus 9 6 are minus 54. X square is there, keep x square as it is. Y into y. Y into y means what? Y square. Yes? Let's come to this one. 9 4s are 36. X square into x square, x to the power 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. Remaining y as it is. Next, 8. 9 8s are minus 72. X into x square, x cube. Next term, y into y square. Y into y is what? Y square. And this one, 9x square y, 9x square y. 9 9s are 81. X square into x square, x to the power 4. Y into y square. Correct? Okay. So last one, 9 11s are 11 9s are 99 because here plus and this side minus is there. X square and x cube. X to the power 5. Y square and y to the power 3 because y to the power 2 plus y to the power 1. How much it will become? So it will become y to the power what? 3. First row, last column. Okay, done. 11 3s are minus 33. X to the power 3. What will become? X to the power 4. Correct? Next, x into y square is y square as it is. X square, x into x cube, x to the power 4. There is no y value. Y value keep here. 11 3s are 33. Next, minus into minus plus 11 6 are 66. X cube as it is. Y square into y, it will become y to the power 3. Next, 11 4s are minus 44. 11 4s are 44. X cube and x square, x to the power 5. Because here 3 is there, that side 2 is there, add them, it will become 5. And y square as it is. Next, minus 11 into minus 8 plus 11 8s are 88. X into x cube, x to the power 4, y into y square, y to the power 3. So you got the next one? Yes. 9 and 11 minus 99. X cube into x square, x to the power 5. Correct? Next, y square into y y to the power 3. And finally 11 11s are plus 11 11s how much? 121. 11 11s are 121. X cube and x cube is there. X to the power how much? 6. 3 plus 3 6. Y square and y square is there. How much it will become? Y to the power 4. This is the tabular problem from exercise number 2.3. So if you have any doubts and all, just pause the video and check out the answers. And if you need, write it in a page or write it in a book. So next week I will solve in the next session. Okay? Thank you, dear children. Have a nice day.